In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Opus AI. Claude Opus is Anthropic's flagship and most capable AI model. It's designed for more demanding tasks, including complex reasoning, advanced coding, and longer multi-step workflows that require more precision and autonomy. If you're working on high-level professional tasks and want access to the strongest model available in Claude, this is the option you'll want to use. The good news is that using it is very simple. You don't need to go through a complicated setup process or change a lot of settings. In most cases, using Claude Opus just comes down to choosing the correct model before you send your prompt. Before you begin, make sure your account is on an upgraded plan because Claude Opus typically isn't available on the basic free tier. If you don't see the model listed in your account, that's usually the first thing to check. Once your plan includes access, you'll be ready to switch to it whenever you need it. Next, go into your existing chat, or create a new chat if you want to start fresh. Either option works, so it really depends on whether you want to continue an ongoing conversation or begin a new task from scratch. Starting a fresh chat can sometimes help keep the context clean, especially if you're working on something separate from your previous prompts. Once you're in the chat interface, look at the prompt field. Near the bottom right area, you should see the model drop down. This is where you can choose which Claude model you want to use for that conversation. Click that drop down to open the list of available models. From there, select Opus. After you choose it, you're ready to start entering your prompt. At that point, just type in your request the same way you normally would. The main difference is that your prompt will now be handled by Claude Opus instead of another model. If you're planning to use Opus for more advanced work, it can help to write clear, detailed prompts so you get the most out of its reasoning and capabilities. The model is especially useful when you need thoughtful analysis, deeper problem solving, or help with more sophisticated tasks. And that's really all there is to it. Upgrade your plan if needed, open a chat, use the model drop-down in the prompt area, select Opus, and then enter your prompt. Once you know where that setting is, switching to Claude Opus only takes a few seconds.